This is gonna be a short one, so get your popcorn ready. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new releases. A heartbroken young man stood under the pouring rain, his body drenched, his hair plastered to his forehead, his eyes staring blankly ahead. The night was dark. The sky was filled with ominous lightning, and his tears mixed with the rain streaming down his face. In the distance, thunder rumbled, adding to the symphony of his misery. He felt utterly alone, betrayed, and with a heart heavier than lead. She left you. Good. Now become a monster. What had she said to him? Words like shards of glass, piercing his soul, tearing it apart at the seams. He could still hear her voice echoing in his mind, mocking him, reminding him of his worthlessness. But something within him snapped. In that moment of utter despair, a transformation began. It was subtle at first, like the flickering flame of a candle in the wind. His eyes, they burned with an eerie red glow. His fists clenched, his muscles tensed, his veins bulged, his clothes tore. His entire body was engulfed in a burst of flames, casting menacing shadows that danced around him. The background shifted. The dark gym was now filled with firelight. Shadows played hide-and-seek on the walls, creating an eerie atmosphere of dread and anticipation. The camera panned slowly, revealing every inch of his transformed body, each movement deliberate, precise, controlled. Cinematic, anime-style, dramatic lighting techniques were used to emphasize the intensity of his emotions, the turmoil within his heart, the fire in his eyes. A soundtrack built for epic battles played, swelling, building, its crescendo mirroring the rising flames around him. He was no longer the broken-hearted young man from before. No, he had become something else, something more. His name was whispered in reverence and fear, a testament to the power that now surged through his veins. It was fear. His presence commanded respect. His strength knew no bounds. And yet, despite all this, a single tear escaped his eye, tracing a path through the soot and grime on his face. It was a tear not of sadness, but of determination, a vow to never let himself be broken again. With a speed that defied the laws of human physics, he dashed through the neon-lit city streets, a blur of motion against the backdrop of towering skyscrapers. Leaping over cars and through windows, he moved with the precision of a seasoned warrior, his eyes fixed on his next target. But it wasn't just his physical prowess that made him formidable. No, he possessed something far more dangerous. An intellect as sharp as any blade. As he scaled the side of a skyscraper with ease, he formulated his plan, his mind racing, calculating, strategizing. In the dimly lit room, bathed in the ethereal glow of the moonlight, he stood before a large mirror. His imposing figure reflected back at him, a warrior forged in the fires of heartbreak and vengeance. His muscles were defined, corded, ready to burst forth with explosive force. Each movement was precise, economical. Speaking of countless hours spent honing his craft, he was a study in controlled power, a coiled spring ready to unleash hell on those who had wronged him. But it wasn't just about physical strength or intelligence. Oh no! He possessed something far more terrifying. A ruthless efficiency in dispatching his enemies. a cold-blooded determination that sent shivers down their spines as he vanished into the night, leaving only the echo of his footsteps behind. You couldn't help but wonder, who was he and what was he capable of? One thing was certain, though. He was a force to be reckoned with. A monster born from heartbreak, and he was just getting started. And that's all for this episode. We hope you enjoyed the story and the amazing animation. If you want to see more content like this, please stay tuned. We'll catch you guys next time. Until then, stay safe and take care.